What will you do, father? You can no longer hide behind the skirts of Athena.
Athena is dead. You must praise the